How to print from Airtable. In this video, I'll show you how to print from Airtable. So to get started, go ahead and open Airtable, sign into your account, and head over into the workspace where you want to print a table from. So go ahead and open that workspace. So from here, go ahead and filter or remove the filter of this page to be able to capture all of the data on this table. So go ahead and do that. So if you want to filter it, you can go ahead and filter it, but you can also opt to not to, and then click on this three dots at the left side of the add record button, and then click on this print this page or print all records. So if you want to print this page, you can basically just select print this page. You can also select print all this record to print all of the pages that you have on your workspace. So that is how you can basically print from Airtable. So you just need to select in between printing a single page or printing all of the records that you have for your page. So in here, you just need to set this to connect to your printer or save as a PDF if you prefer to, and then set the paper size, pages per sheet, margin, scales, and the layout of your printed page. And that is how you can do that. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.